And welcome to the Wheels of Faith Garage. Today we're working on Dylan's dirt bike. Oh, burr. We're going to have to close the door because it's cold. So we need to weld the exhaust back on. Exhaust bracket broke right here, then obviously it broke off the back. So we're going to weld that up and see what it sounds like afterwards. Gotta quiet this beast back down. You fire it up for me real quick, Dill? I want to hear this thing. Let's hear what it sounds like. Oof. Yep, that's pretty dang loud. Alright, let's get after it. Stays there. Okay. We're just going to kind of set that.
Does it come off?
The fuel line is holding us up.
Okay.
So we'll leave that.
And fuel tank, which will spill oil or gas free.
Yeah, just kind of let it sit.
Put it forward and rest it on the line. Right there, don't move.
Yep. They were right back there the whole time. They were right back there behind the chargers. Alrighty. Got your ears on? I don't. Alright, gotta get these surfaces cleaned up so we have something to weld to. It's kind of low, it's pretty thin metal. Give some decent wire feed, sure. I don't know. Dylan, don't look.
Go grab that. Dad.
What?
Grab your helmet.
Oh yeah. The helmet. Good idea, kid. Well, you don't weld in your slides? Ah. Way too much heat. Still too much heat.
Are you sure that's not the right angle?
Nope. Alright, we'll let that cool down before we put it back together, and we'll start her up, see what she sounds like. Ooh, I gotta go to the bathroom. Alright, let me bring it in here a little bit closer, show you exactly what we were doing. Alright, so this muffler broke off from this bracket. We got it welded, kind of goober welded. I got welded on the front and on the back. The battery bracket, we got it welded back on as well, and along the back. We went ahead and took the weld a little bit farther this time. Instead of just right in here, we took it over down this way too. And then all of the welding back here to attach this muffler back to the pipe. It looks like complete garbage, but it doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to work. So we're gonna let this cool down for a bit, and then we'll get the fairings back on and fire it up and see if it sounds any better. See if it quiet it down a little bit. Don't want to tick off the neighbors. No. Alright, shoot a little paint on this. Keep it from rusting.
Did you get it before? Noise? Did I get it?
Okay, now we can go ahead and get the plastics back on.
Battery first.
Actually, battery bracket would probably be first.
Yeah, I mean the bracket and the battery.
No. We have to. Actually, I'm going to show this on camera because this is a common thing here. Alright, let's go ahead and get the plastics back in place here. Because we have 2 screws that are right back here that we have to access, and we can't do that if the battery's in place.
The oil, the gas.
Calm down. I'm holding that. Turn that valve to the off position.
Temporary hold.
Hang on. We don't need a temper. I got it in there, but that fuel line did not have a clamp on it where it goes into the petcock. So I have clamps. I'm going to put one of those on after I wash this gas off me. About back where it goes. We'll go ahead and start that bolt up there.
Where's the wrench? Where's the bracket?
Okay, so there's one bolt there. And if we come to the back, there are 2 screws right up here. They're right up here.
Covered in gas.
And then the battery bracket will go right in here. Yeah, let's wash up.
No, because we're gonna have to take the thing back off anyways and get gas everywhere.
That's
to
true.
clamp on.
Yeah, that's very true.
And it doesn't go into off. Just so you know, there is no off.
Right there should be off, actually.
Nope.
There's no clamps on any of this. Yeah, that's off.
Okay.
Well, that's cool because now we know that that's the direction that the petcock needs to go. So if we're on, it's going to be straight down.
So it was good. It wasn't
Right, that clamp is too big.
There's these clamps. These are better.
Oh yes, the worm gear style. All right, go ahead and put this one back.
Because we don't have the right size. There's only the tiny ones.
Yeah.
Put in the wrong thing.
I couldn't tell. I couldn't see it. We'll use these worm gear styles.
That was not fun.
No, that was messed up. Can you hand me a flathead screwdriver? I think there's one on top of the toolbox. Not a single hose clamp on any of these fuel lines. That's dangerous.
You're not filming. Yeah, you are. Never mind.
Yes, I am. So we're going to add our own fuel line, or clamps.
We're going to need a big one for the other side of that too. Dad?
I hear you. I heard you. We're going to need 2 more. Ouch! That was my finger. about that no more. Alright. Get these 2 screws put back in for the body.
Where are the screws for this go? Oh, they're right here. This thing has the tiniest battery ever. Everything looks good.
Goodness gracious. Yeah, that might whack the tire. Well, it just doesn't.
Wait, let me sit on it.
I'd almost bet you that's what broke that bracket before.
Let me sit on it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's touching. I bet you that's what broke that bracket before.
I was jumping it.
Probably don't want to touch that positive cable with that.
So what do we do?
I'm just going to bend this bracket back.
Okay.
Just want to see. It's already. Oh,
Dad, this plastic, hold on, the plastics can move out like this, and we can flip it and have it going the other way and have it bent out like that.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So when it goes down, it won't touch.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Think that'll work?
Done. Try it. Sit. Push, like, jump down on it. Yeah, I mean, it should be good there.
I mean, I will be jumping the bike into the air. So. Check your welds now. Make sure that's good.
Yeah, everything looks fine there.
Alright.
It should be. I wish I could get something to strap that friggin' battery in. Because if you jump up in there, that thing's going to go flying.
I got an idea.
Okay. Fired up, man. See what she sounds like now.
We need gas.
We'll worry about gas in a minute. Also, I want to find a hose, a vent hose for that too.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what she sounds like now. Oh yeah, That's way quieter.
It's quieter.
All right. There you go.
I can smell it.
Oh, you're gonna smell those welds. What do you think, Dill?
I like it.
SSR repaired, completed. Yeah. Should work. Catch you next time. Yeah.
English?
Cut, edit. We'll catch you next time, folks. He said, nope. Later, guys.